All right, let's take a look at our commodities now. We'll start off with silver. Silver looking bullish here. And next target here is a 28.50. Now, this is the support level that we had been keeping an eye on, and price just wasn't able to break through to the downside here. So this is bullish, and next target 28.45 actually. And then above that, we're looking at 29. So bullish bias here for silver. Gold here. Gold is neutral right now. Price is into a resistance here and hasn't managed to break through this for the last 3 days. So at this point, this is neutral. But once it breaks through this level, then it becomes bullish and we could see another leg higher. So for now, neutral. As long as it holds below 1975, that would be neutral. This is a strong support resistance level. So if it doesn't break through this level, we are looking for a move back towards this 1900 level. But once we see a break here, then the first target here is 1993. And then we have this level all the way back up towards 2014. So bias is neutral to bullish, but I would watch out for this resistance. If it doesn't break, then back into the range here. Oil here, oil is still stuck in this very, very narrow range. It went into the resistance level here today and didn't really make it through. So looking for a bit of a drop here, nothing major. First target would be 41.80. And then we have 41.15. So bearish bias here for oil. Copper here, copper finally broke through this resistance level here. So this is looking bullish. And next target here would be 3.02. This is a level we haven't seen in a long time. So this is our bullish move where we see price was going up, it pulled back, and now it held. So first it held this support level, then it held this support level, and now basically looking for a further move higher. So it's broken through this resistance, so that has turned bullish now. 3.02 and 3.04 would be the targets to the upside here. So bullish bias for copper. Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is sideways at the moment. So it still has that bullishness to it because it's holding above this previous support resistance level. So next target, today's candle close is neutral though. It's right into this resistance level. Not really doing much, but as long as it holds above 11,520, basically we're looking for another leg higher here as well. So a neutral to bullish bias. First target is 11,880, and then we have 12,000. And all the way into 12,450. So bullish bias here for Bitcoin. S&P 500, today we did see a drop in the market. So we have a bearish candle close. It's super small here, just like this one here. We may see a bit more of a move to the downside. So right now, I'm not super bearish on this, but we could get a deeper pullback. So that's what I will watch out for, 34.60. And potentially even into 34.35. But essentially what I'm looking for here is a bit of a dip. And then as long as it holds above this high here, it will still remain bullish. So we could get something like this, or a bigger drop would take a couple of days here. But right now, it's still holding that bullish bias here, hasn't really turned bearish. Again, we may get a pullback, but not looking completely bearish yet. So right now, a neutral to bearish bias here, just looking for that pullback, 34.60 or 34.35. Nasdaq here, this one's still looking bullish here. We see price just keeps on maintaining this upward bias here. So trend still remains to the upside here. Bias is bullish. Now watch out for this pullback either into the high here. So it is 12,000. And if it holds above, then I will look for that move higher, or we may get a bit deeper here and then a further move to the upside. So right now, neutral to bullish, and after the pullback, we could get another move higher. So 12,200 will be the next target. All right, Dow Jones here, this one has had a bigger drop than the other ones. We may get a pullback right into this 28,180 level. So that's what I will watch out for. This is a good strong support resistance level here. So bearish bias here. Again, overall, this one still remains bullish, but I'm just looking for a pullback. And if it holds above here, then we could get another leg higher here. So bearish, neutral to bearish bias here for Dow Jones as well. DAX here, this one for the last several days, it has been slowly making its way to the downside. Now, again, it doesn't look completely bearish here because it hasn't really moved very much. It just is almost pretending to move down, but hasn't really made much progress. So I will look for a bit more of a drop here into potentially into 12,780 level. And then only if it goes through that would we look for this 12,620. But for now, 12,780 will be the target here for DAX. FTSE here, FTSE dropped here as well, but this one as well does not look super bearish at this moment. It is into support. So if it doesn't go through, we could see another leg higher. So for now though, the support at 59.50 is important. If it breaks through this, then I am looking at 58.50 here. So bearish bias here for FTSE as well. Again, not super bearish, but just looking to see if it may come and retest the support level. And last one here, we have Nikkei. We see that price has struggled with this resistance here, hasn't really managed to break through. So if it holds below here, we could get another leg lower, and we may see a retest of these support levels here. So the first target is 22,830. And then we have 22,680, basically looking for this move back into the range here. So bearish bias here for Nikkei. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful trading day, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.